This recipe requires 7 scallops, 7 fish balls, 7 dumplings, 1 sausage, some southern roasted chili paste, a quarter cup of cream, 1 cup of coconut milk, 3 cups of whole milk, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of palm sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 sliced red chili or jalapeno pepper, and chaplo leaves. First, we need to make some cheese. Heat the whole milk in a pot until lukewarm and stir in the vinegar. Sift out the curds and place them into boiling water. Use a cheese bag or cloth to squeeze out most of the water. Remove and knead in a pinch of salt. You can squeeze more water out for a firmer mozzarella. For the seafood curry, oil or butter and sear both sides of the scallops just until they are warm all the way through the centers. Set them aside. Simmer some coconut milk and stir in some curry paste. Add the scallops, fish balls, palm sugar, fish sauce, chopped chaplo leaves, and chili. Steam the sausage and dumplings in a double boiler. You can serve the dumplings and diced sausage as a side dish with a vinegar and soy sauce dip. Alternatively, you can add them to the curry. Cut and arrange the mozzarella on bagel halves. Then, pick some peppers and your favorite meats from the curry to toast for a spicy Asian fusion breakfast bagel. This